and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to log Google Sheet cells without sharing passwords. So let's get started with the video. So once you're on the Google Sheet, what you need to do, you can select the particular cell you want to protect. For example, you can just left click on your mouse and scroll down till the cells you want to protect. For example, I am just selecting this one. Once this has been done, you will see an option of data. You need to click on data, and here you will see an option of protect sheets and ranges. Click on that. Also here you can mention your range as well. Since we have selected it, it's automatically been detected. Post that, here you will see an option of set permissions. Click on that. Here you can set the permission according to you. If you want to show a warning when editing this range, you can select this. If you want to restrict who can edit this range without sharing them any kind of password, you have to select this. Scroll down. Here you need to click on drop down menu. Post that, here you can click on custom, and here you can mention their email addresses. So whenever they will edit the password, it will not require the whenever they will edit this sheet, it will not require the password. Post that, click on done. So once this is being done, the cell will get protected and they will not need the password as well. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.